Okay, tara. Lakad na tayo. So, bali ngayong hapon, pupunta ako ng isa sa mga store dito ng helmet, which is papunta tayo ngayon sa isang store ng mga helmet at saka mga riding gears. Kakaliwa tayo. Ito, diskarte sa driving dito, sasabay ka lang sa agos, lalo sa mga motor. So dito, ito, pupunta tayo dito, Motoworld. Diyan tayo. Dito tayo dito, U-turn. Ayan, dito balo. Sorry, yeah. Bali, pasukin natin to, sir. Check natin yung mga ano nila, mga item nila dito. Dito na tayo, pasukin na natin sa loob. Check na natin yung mga item nila na meron. Hello, bro. We're here at Motoworld, Vietnam, and this is located in District 5, right? Yeah. What's your name again, bro? My name is Son. So, shout out, we have Son here. Marami silang mga items dito. We really like is the R6, Yamaha R6. And they also have Yoshimura pipe here. Are those original from Japan?
Some from Thailand.
From Thailand, yeah.
Some from USA. Some from...
But that's a genuine one,
Yes.
right? A real, yeah. For those who like to, of course, to avail, and I think these exhausts are very expensive. Ito, medyo mahal talaga to, Yoshimura pipe. This is not a fake one. It's a real from Japan and Thailand. They also have Pirelli here. Lots of tires here. Right. So what are your products here that you offer?
Helmets,
Or jackets?
and hat,
Yeah.
socks, and
Shot. So it's a box, right, that you install at the back of your bike, yeah. So check natin. Meron din sila ditong Brembo.
Yeah.
So all these are real, not a fake one. Ayan po, check nyo na. Those are original Brembo calipers. Meron din silang suit dito. Taichi. Sa mga mahilig mag-rides dyan. And also they have racing gloves here if you are a fan of you know, of course, racing, motorbike racing. You can use this for protection, right? Racing gloves kasi medyo mahaba siya. This one is longer, right, comparing to the other one. So here they have gloves, street gloves. If you are just like a daily commuter, like you go to your work, you can just use this one. Hindi mo na kailangan ng medyo mahaba. So it's a Taichi, no? Orig yan. Those are original Taichi. And we have the manager. Sir, hello. What's your name again?
I'm not a manager, man.
Yeah, what's your name again, bro?
My name is Ben.
Pen, shout out Pen. Thank you so much for welcoming us here.
See ya. We also have SBS.
SBS.
Yeah.
So
this
braking
way,
pads.
The brake pad for Revving.
Ah. So eto daw, these are the right braking pads for Brembo.
Yeah.
For Brembo calipers. So alam naman natin Brembo is a very expensive caliper. You cannot just install any kind of. They also have this brake front disc, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken. Ayan po.
We also have air filter.
Filter for, are those for like big bikes? Most of the
Yeah, most of
big
And,
bikes.
Most popular will find
Mhm.
150.
150 underbone bikes. Ayan po. So DNA, a high performance air filter. Yan. It's a branded one, right?
Yeah,
So, how much for this one? Like
this one.
what bike? Okay, how much for that one, bro?
This one for the KTM 690. At
KTM 690.
at MC.
Mm.
This 1,530,000.
1,500,000. So almost, that's in Philippine peso, that's like around 2,300.
We also have Exciter 150.
Exciter for the underbone bikes.
Underbone bike.
Yeah, because here in Vietnam, for your information, underbones are very famous as well, like in our country. So lots of like underbone bikes here. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry, bro. Do you guys have more items upstairs?
Yeah.
The helmet, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Can we go upstairs?
Yeah.
Ayun. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, one of their staff here. So they have Hjc helmets here, like R511. So those are like. Okay, can you tell me something about the R511, bro? R511 is for like street, right? I don't know. Sorry. R511 is for.
R511 for the racing bike.
Okay. Can I see some of the features?
So this guy. This is the special model. So we got the monster pattern.
Yeah, it's fine. So ito, this is R511.
This one from Breslau.
This one is a famous racer, right? Crutch Claw 35.
Yeah.
What team? Yeah. We also have like Hjc R511. Is that the Marvel edition?
Yamaha edition is Carnage. The one we find
Carnage
with Venom.
with Venom, yeah. So it's a spider, right?
Yeah.
So nice. Ganda. How much is this, bro?
13 million.
13 million, so that's more or less 27,000 sa atin. R511. And what is R5 90?
This modular helmet.
Modular helmet.
Yeah.
So ayan, naaangat siya.
Same shell as the R511.
So they have same shell like R511, but R590 is a modular one. So meaning you can raise this up, right?
Yeah.
You can adjust it, naangat mo siya. So that's the difference of it. So if you don't feel to wear a full face helmet, you can just push it up, right?
Because more water to that.
Like that. Okay, what else, bro? May mga ano dito. Gloves. Ganun pa rin.
Komine.
From Komine.
Komine.
Komine, yeah, sorry.
From Japan too.
So Komine, that's how you say it, right?
Yeah.
Komine pala. It's from Japan. And so lots of helmets here. R511, right?
Yeah. And 70.
70, yeah. How about this one, bro? What model is this?
That is the cheaper one.
A cheaper one, like for the beginners,
Yeah.
right? So what model is this?
Hjc
Yeah. Oh, so sa mga gustong mag-try hindi ganun kamahal, you can try this Hjc. Maganda rin yung design.
If you buy the Honda winner, they give you
A free one?
Yeah, the free one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, ang ganda pala. Pag dito daw sa Vietnam, if you avail Honda Winner X,
Yeah.
Winner X, they will give you a free one. Hanap no HJC, pinamimigay lang dito. Ayos. I was surprised with that, bro.
Different
Oh.
color.
Different color. Can we see the features? So this is the padding, no? Yan, ganito yung lock.
The visor with the lock.
Yeah. So unlike the R511, R511 has a different lock, right?
Yeah.
So dito nyo malalaman, you will recognize if the HJC is not a real one, if it doesn't have two
Double D ring.
belts, yeah, double rings, sorry. If the HJC doesn't have double ring, meaning it's not a real one. Fake yan, it's a fake one. So, yan, right? What model is this?
The Star Wars Mobile.
Star Wars
Yeah.
inspired, right?
Just like Marvel.
Just like a Marvel, yeah. Yan, tingnan ba natin dito yung mga HJC nila. I-90.
I-90.
Mhm.
Cheaper one has the R590 modular.
Cheaper one, modular. It's a cheaper one. Mhm. So, for you, what's the best model that you can offer, especially for those who wants to try HJC brand? A newbie, for those, you know, newbie guys out there.
So I prefer the I-40.
I-40.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's half face
Half face.
helmet,
Triple visor.
double visor. It has
And
Smoke.
It's cheap. It's
A visor?
just 2 million.
2 million. So around, this is in Philippine peso, that's like 4.5k, 4,500, or let's say prepare ka na lang ng 5,000 na. But for the full face, better if they can just get one of these, right?
Yeah.
It is for like a beginners as well. So can we go there, bro?
Yeah.
Taichi. So dito check din natin. So they also have Taichi brands here, like the
This is
riding pants.
Komine and
Komine, sorry, and Taichi. Komine pala to pagbasa na ito.
TCX.
TCX, yeah, riding boots, right?
This brand make shoe for Ducati.
Oh, so this brand though is partnership with Ducati,
Brand from Italia.
Italia.
Yeah, they connect with Ducati, so they make the boot for the brand.
Boots, yeah.
Yeah. If you see the boot with the Ducati brand, you see this one.
Mm-hmm.
without this
TCX.
This
Okay, yeah. Do you know what's the meaning of that? Yeah, it's fine. So, eto daw, this is like the official riding shoe
yeah.
of or riding boots of Ducati, no? Sa Italy. Yeah, because Ducati is from Italy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ayan. Eto siya. So, this one you can also use this not only for riding, right?
Yeah, only for riding.
Only for riding, yeah. But you can still use this one, right?
Yeah.
For casual.
Casual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Bestseller.
Bestseller, yeah. TCX. Ayan, mga belt bags nila. Undershirt.
Undershirt.
Yeah. It's Taichi as well. Taichi brand. And for the Komine, they have also riding jackets here. So, where's the cheapest one there, bro?
The cheapest is 2 million.
2 million.
800.
Mhm.
The cheaper one.
So more or less nasa 5K.
Yeah. The expensive one is
It is more expensive.
Yeah.
So what is the feature of this one? It has a padding inside, right?
Yeah. And
Elbow
different,
protector.
design.
Mm-hmm. Can you show them the inside part?
Yeah. So they will hold the protection.
Oh, so ito
Yeah,
maganda
back.
talaga.
Chest, elbow, shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
We also have red suit from Taichi.
Red suit from Taichi. And for those who are asking, they also have a full suit. This one. If you're really a hardcore racer,
Yeah.
like you always go to the track, you better use this one.
Yeah.
It has of course it has a knee slider, right?
Knee slider.
A slider. Yeah. So sa mga malalakas mag-banking, ito kailangan nyo. Mga galawang, di ba, sila Boss Clyde, sila Dashi Watanabe, di ba?
Top one of the Taichi.
So how much is this in
24 million.
so more or less 60,000, 24 million. So yeah, like 50 to 60,000. Oh, so good. If you wanted to avail their products, you can just message them on their Facebook page. You can just type in Motoworld Vietnam, and there you will see their Facebook page.
Website.
They are located in District 5. All right, so if you guys want to avail riding boots, riding pants, helmets, yeah, you can just visit their store here in District 5. All right, so shout out once again, Son. Thank you so much for guiding us today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed our short video for this content.
Where would you like to be? Here or down here?
Yeah, here it's fine. Anywhere. Yeah.
Let's do the contact. Got more lighting that way.
So they have R6 here. That is only for this is for display, right?
Yeah.
So of course it has still running, yeah. Super Corsa 2. Is this 2?
The Super Corsa.
Super Corsa. Of course, this is a race tire. Eh, medyo malambot. And so as far as I know, Yamaha already stopped the production of this. Yamaha already focused with the R1, right? So hindi mo na mabibili to. So this bike is like a collector's bike.
This one also not for sale.
Not for sale. This is only for display. Actually, I've watched one video on YouTube. It's a very loud. If you're gonna start it, loud screamer. They call it a loud screamer bike. Alright, so nice. Alright, shout out for all the staffs here, Motoworld Vietnam. Thank you so much, guys, for allowing me to check out your items here. I really appreciate it. Can I rev it? R6 2008 model. Loud screamer. Nice experience. Thank you so much, boss, for allowing us to at least to rev your bike. Alright, Motoring PH signing out.